What's up, DC Gang? I'm back with another video. Today, I'm by myself, as you can see. Today, I'm trying snacks all around the world. I'm gonna try all these snacks by myself. I don't have the kids with me. This is so sad. This little seed drink with honey flavor. And it has these little seeds in it. All right, y'all. All right. As next flavor, oh, I'm gonna rate this. Well, y'all see what just happened. So this gets a 2 out of 10. But once I swallowed it a little bit, it didn't taste that bad. I think I was just the seeds. All right, next. I'm taking 2. Okay, it's called Hada Soda Lychee. Lychee flavor. Look, guys, don't it look so pretty? The bottle looks so pretty. Look inside of it. All right, cheers. Tastes good. Yeah. 5 out of 10. But it tastes good. I mean, it don't taste that good. All right, I'm gonna say that last. That's put that right there. All right, next I'm gonna try seaweed snack. This is from Korea. It's a little pretzel looking thing. I'm gonna try it. 3, 2, 1. Sweet and wait. I guess I'll try another one. It's a very light snack. I mean, oh, it says sweet up here. That's why it's sweet, because it says sweet. About a 4. I'm not really. I mean, it's alright. Next, I want to try these because Hello Kitty's up there. This is wafer cookies, green tea flavor. All right. These should be good. I never had a green tea cracker before. All right, I'm about to try it. 3, 2, 1. I never want to have it again. Okay, that's disgusting. 1 out of 10. Pop Rocks. It's 20 pouches in here. Wait, what's this? There's a little puzzle in here. I'm gonna do it for later. All right, y'all. These are so cute. I'm gonna try this one, whatever this flavor is. Bon appetit. ASMR. It's good. Next, guys, I'm gonna try these. This, I was on the back because I remember seeing it. Rice tteokbokki snack from Korea. I'm guessing it's hot. It's hot, guys. So hot. It says so hot. I hope it's not really that hot, for real. Can y'all smell it? It's like, all right, 3. I'm kind of scared. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I mean, I like hot stuff, but not like that. I mean, it's spicy, yes. but it's not so hot. It's kind of sweet. It's sweet and hot. I don't know. I rate that about a 3 out of 10. Banana kick. Banana kick. Korea Soul Nana. It smells like 3, 2, 1. Finally, something good. Let's go. Tastes just like banana. And it's good. Banana cheese puffs. Like, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Banana cheese puffs. Puffs. Like a 9 out of 10. Next, I'm gonna try milk puffs. So it's like little balls out. And on the picture, it has something inside of it. So I'm not sure if, like, you know. It kind of tastes like it has banana in it a little bit. A 5 out of 10. Rice crunch snack. Korean yuga. Rice crunch snack. Alright, y'all. And it has syrup on them. Do I look scared? Yeah. I don't have the crew here to help me out with this. I was scared for no reason. Tastes good. Tastes good. Rate them about, they're not as good as the banana ones, but I rate them about 8.5, 10. You know what I'm saying? What the heck they still doing here? Now let's see what this is. It looks like, So guys, this is from, I don't know, mango, apple, mango. Don't look good. Let's see if it is good. 3, 2, 1. It was yummy. I didn't like the texture, y'all. The taste was good, actually, kind of, sort of. A 4 out of 10. So colorful and so pretty. Rainbow puff corn, Korean traditional snack. All right. You try yellow one first. I don't even know what it tastes like. Okay, wait, let me try this one. Wait, let me think. I gotta think. It's like regular puff. Well, it doesn't have much flavor, you know? It's not like, you know, like kicking me in my mouth type. I rate it, it's stuck on my hand. A 4 out of 10, you can't taste anything. Let's see if I like these nuts. These peanuts. This is a big bag of peanuts, bro. I don't know who's gonna eat all these, but yeah. Wait. Toasted peanuts. They taste good. They got like the outer layer of it, like the crunchy. Like, you hear that? They taste good. They regular peanut. Well, not regular, but I give them about an 8 out of 10. Guys, I thank you for watching my all around the world snacks, and you know, appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can know every time D and the Crazy Bunch drop another video.